Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on a laptop. First, ensure your laptop meets the minimum system requirements, which are generally quite low for Roblox. Then, navigate to the official Roblox website and download the Roblox Player application. Once downloaded, run the installer and follow the simple on-screen prompts to complete the installation process. This usually takes just a few minutes. After installation, you'll need to either create a new Roblox account or log in to an existing one. If you're new, the registration process is straightforward, requiring a username, password, and birth date. For existing players, simply enter your username and password. It's crucial to remember these credentials for seamless future access to your games and progress on the platform. With your account set up, you can now explore the vast universe of games available on Roblox. The platform hosts millions of user-created experiences. Browse through categories or use the search bar to find something that interests you. Once you've chosen a game, click on its icon and then hit the prominent play button to launch it directly within the Roblox Player application. Once in a game, you'll primarily use your keyboard and mouse for interaction. The W, A, S, D keys are standard for movement, while your mouse controls the camera view and allows for clicking on in-game elements. Many games also have unique controls, so pay attention to any on-screen tutorials or settings menus to fully master your chosen experience.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.